Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata guys and you're trying to actually fix codes, you have engine light on and you have codes P0105 or code P0106, 107, 108, 109. If you have any of those codes, we'll explain most likely what causes that, so make sure you stand tuned in guys. We're going to cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of money. Most of the time these codes relate to map sensor, but actually it may not be the map sensor causing that, and we're going to explain that as we go. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So specifically guys, this is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we're working on. This is the map sensor right here. We have a special video that explains how to remove and replace it, which is not very complicated at all, by the way, but there are a few tricks that you need to follow, otherwise it's almost impossible guys to remove that thing or get the wiring harness out. So that map sensor is located on the intake manifold, right there guys. If you have that any of those codes from 0105 to 0109 guys, always make sure that the map sensor wiring harness guys, that wiring harness there is actually guys plugged in. If it's not plugged in, you can get these codes. Make sure the wire is not broken, and a common thing for those sometimes it's the wire, if that clip is broken that holds it to the intake manifold, that wire can make its way in the radiator fan. From there it can break, or it can get burnt a little bit on the sides by the radiator fan if it's been touching the fan, and that can actually affect the signal strength, and that can throw that code. But most of the times guys, it will be that sensor that can cause that. Also what you want to check, your O-ring, always replace it with a new sensor. Most of the times they come with a new sensor, and if you need help with anything specific guys, finding parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai Sonata, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get all that from for a really good price. And as I said, we'll be taking the whole engine apart and teach you how to do pretty much anything on it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.